Guys, I am finally done with unfastening the things, the entire cylinder head. Now my daughter is going to help me up in focusing on the cylinder head so that I will show you the easiest way of removing the cylinder head. Now this is the log which is used in the construction sites. The very simplest way of doing it. Very simplest way of go that side. Focus it on the cylinder head. So this is how the simplest way the bore is out. No hammering, no tampering. Simplest way, whereas you can just avoid pittings on the surface of the cylinder head. I would like to thank my daughter to help me in making this video. So thank you. So on my last ride, as I said, it was very bad. The piston had actually seized several times, and I am not happy with the reason of using a carburetor which is a Paco. You basically made for it was in this bike. I just wanted to check the performance because I was told, and there was a major problem. The sump was, I don't know how the cement entered the flute sump, and the entire carburetor got choked. So I thought that I would use it, but it was my mistake. But anyways, it is a good learning. I did learn a lesson that never rely on which has already been giving you a problem. I had to use some kind of acid to get rid of the cement which actually entered the sump. This is the culprit who is responsible for the damage. So I will start recording again with the new cylinder kit once I'm done with fixing it. Thank you.